263, and it's my first video, so we're doing very special for that first video. We're at Port Huron, and we're at camping, so it's going to be a 3-part or 4-part video, so let's get out and show you guys. We just got here. Cabin. This is inside the cabin. It's really nice. Hot beds up there, there's an Ethan gummy bears. And we're gonna eat dinner. So yeah, I'll see you there. My dad's cooking burgers.
Big time burgers.
But in the meantime, my dad's cooking big time burgers. We're gonna go check out the playground. It's very little. It's not silly. Okay, going on the playground. Who the heck is that?
I'm Miles. I'm Eddie's brother.
Okay, well, I never knew that, so get out of here. He's this way. The Epic 360. Yay. Ryan is in the house right here. Who's littering? Who's drinking Gatorade juice in here? Okay, guys. So it's almost time for the burgers. So hopefully, the next time you see me, I'll be eating burgers, and hopefully my dad will be there, and Miles. So, see. Okay, now we're eating the
big time burgers.
Okay, this guy has some issues because he always says big time.
Hey guys.
Nice singing, bro. And he's drinking Capri Sun and eating food. Always gotta have those Doritos, because those make you emoji. And Miles is gonna eat his burger, but first we have to wait for it to cool down. So we'll see you in the next part. Probably. Okay guys, Miles is gonna take a bite of his burger. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, these are so good. I don't know how.
You know why? Because they're big time burgers.
What they are?
Okay, seriously, dude, stop.
Loud.
Miles is doing a crazy face over there while he's eating his Cheetos. And eating his thing. But now it's going to be
What, Eddie? What's wrong? What's wrong with you, Eddie?
No, and the question I started asking is what is wrong with you, because you always drink Pepsi. And you know I'm just kidding. You always like Army guys.
No.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go take a shower. So, see you in there. Alright guys, let's get out of here. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do the next clip on like me doing funny stuff at the playground. So, and then after that, I might just go to bed because it's like 7 right now, and in the morning I have to do some busy stuff, like we have to go someplace. So yeah, I'll see you next clip.
It's already made a lot.
Actually, guys, forget about the funny stuff on the playground because we're going to the ice cream parlor to get some ice cream. That's way more better than doing funny stuff on the playground. So, and then after that, we're gonna maybe do a bonfire. And if I don't have enough space, then I won't be able to do the footage. So let's hope that I have enough space. So, see you there with a big jump. Ha! Guys, that was the biggest jump of my life. So we're here, and we're about to
It's
get
a big time ice cream, baby!
I swear. guy has issues. Please take him to the hospital.
Okay.
Chocolate,
Oh, look at that.
Scout Honor,
Hey, that's him when you
Play-Doh, Michigan Apple.
That's an enemy. What do you want?
Big time ice cream.
Really, dude? I'm just gonna get the chocolate ice cream because, you know, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm about to take the first bite of my ice cream.
Oh, you got Michigan apple too.
Take a bite. Yeah, real good ice cream. I'm gonna take more.
It's so good.
While we're having a good time eating my ice cream, let's see what my dad do.
Just eating a big time ice cream.
Okay, dude. Please stop.
Hey,
And Miles is eating his ice cream too. Taking the last bite of my ice cream and then going back to having a bonfire. Now it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna go back to have the bonfire. See you there?
no.
Jump again.
You guys just go outside and walk back?
And guys, before I go, I found some playground over here, so I'm gonna play on it.
Three, two, one, go!
Do one more thing. Okay, that didn't work out too good. But first, before we leave, we're gonna do the ladder and we're gonna do the monkey first. I'm about to drop. That was cool. Okay guys, I'm gonna go on the last thing that's here, swing, and my dad is gonna take the video because I'm gonna do backflips. So I'm handing it over to my dad.
And here we go. This is a limited edition clip. Eddie is showing his face. Very rare footage, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we got.
Guys, I'm gonna do a backflip.
Whoa! Now that was big time!
Okay guys, I hope you liked the clip and make sure my face. So now I'm gonna start walking home. And we're gonna do the bonfire after. Hey guys, Miles is going this way. High five.
Picture.
Guys, I'm gonna go see if there's anything that's cool at the playground before I leave. Because I said that I was walking out of the playground before, but I was too busy because they wanted to show Miles in his display. And now I found this unicorn head. I think it's one of the girls over there that has that helmet. So yeah, now I'm not kidding. I'm gonna start walking back to my cabin. Okay guys, I'm walking this summer to wash off my feet from the sand, and this is me and my sister.
Hello.
She is a really cool sister. Okay guys, me and Miles took our toothbrush, and now we're nice and shiny.
In my hand, but I don't really dry them good. I don't care. Cause tomorrow we're gonna do another video at the pool.
Yeah guys, we're doing that.
And then we're gonna do some more stuff, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna do a part 2 tomorrow because remember in the beginning of the video I said this might be a 3 or 4 part. So now, or I mean tomorrow, we're going to go to the pool and we're gonna go on go-karts and do a bunch of fun stuff. Guys, I'm walking home and I learned a spell from Harry Potter where if I say the spell and I snap my fingers, then I'll get to wherever I want. So, Snapperus, Pepperus. So now when I snap, I should be at the cabin. So I'm gonna snap. Oh guys, it's working, it's working. I'm gonna go. Ah! Oh guys, I'm in the cabin and it's locked. Help! Oh my god, thank God. I guess I'm not a bad guy at all.
Big time!
If you guys like that spell from Harry Potter, then please support Harry Potter for teaching me that spell. And now we're gonna do the bonfire. And we're gonna get it lit up and we're gonna have a good time and then I'm gonna go to bed. So, and then I'm gonna do part 2 when we're ready to go to the pool. So yeah.
And here we are, another limited edition clip. Eddie's gonna start the fire in rare form. Eddie, let's get the fire going, baby. We got marshmallows to roast, s'mores to make. Hopefully it'll work here. We got a thing we bought from the dollar store. And that is a big time fire.
My dad's taking a nap by the fire. He's really missing out.
Big time!
Oh my god. Okay guys, this is what we got for the fire going on so far. So we're gonna get some marshmallows and we're gonna roast it. Plus we might even do popcorn. And after that, I'm afraid it's gonna have to come to an end and wait until part 2. But I just made this channel, so probably it won't get like viewed until like I have like 100 subs or something. Like people would probably want to see one of my first videos, and this is it. So yeah, let's wait for the fire to get more big. Guys, it's a real big fire now.
Is making it. I'm just standing around. No, I don't want to get burned. Will you get it out?
Guys, this is really hot.
It's gonna cook everybody. Here, I'm telling you.
Sit down.
Okay, so putting all the fire in the works.
You know what?
We're gonna try to put it in right here so that
It was a really good idea, but
by hand. So let's see.
we should make this a lot longer.
And one more thing, at the beginning of my video, this is not clickbait of me like showing you for a part that for the full day at camp in the morning, cause it was so bright out here now, and now it's dark. Like go to the beginning of the video, it was really bright. Now it's dark. And guys, tomorrow we're gonna make a part 2, and it's gonna be awesome. But for now, let's continue on the bonfire. Okay, guys. So the thing that I put on the grill, it works. So I'm gonna eat this popcorn, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Guys, you already know it. You should always end it out with a bang. Okay guys, it's finally that time. It's time for bed. Miles is down there. He's getting ready to go to sleep. And he's gonna go to sleep in 3, 2, 1. And now Amina's already zonked out, so now it's my turn. So we'll see you in the next part when we're swimming. So the video is gonna end in 3, 2, 1.